In this video, we are gonna learn a step-to-step guide on how to delete folders in AOL Mail application using iPhone. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, open the AOL Mail application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're signed into your account. And now, go ahead and tap on the inbox icon at the bottom left menu. Navigate to the Folders tab and select the folder you would like to delete. Press and hold to the folder and in the pop-up, tap on Delete. Once you do so, you will then be able to delete a particular folder. Repeat the process if necessary. If you have additional folders to delete, you can repeat the same process for each folders you'd like to delete. So that is how you can easily delete folders in AOL Mail using iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.